Good day, brothers and sisters. Again, this is Brother Dong Sarabosing sharing you a video on how you can use Hellomoney to pay your tithes and other offerings. So open your account, log in, and click on Pay Biller. Okay, on the bill payment, you choose the bill institution. So type nyo lang po dun yung the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and automatically lalabas na dyan yung required information, ang inyong membership number, complete name, and on the category ano yung babayaran nating offering. So it's fast offering and other donation that we need to pay. You just choose the category, and then the other information again you need to input and the amount you will pay or deposit, and then click confirm and put your password. So after that, you will now receive a digital receipt and click done.
3 days later.
You can now confirm yung transaction na ginawa nyo through Hellomoney. So click on the transaction and a yellow receipt will also be issued to you. Parang sa face-to-face lang din, meron tayo na-receive na yellow receipt. So ganun po ka-convenient and kadali lang din po magbayad ng ating donation using Hellomoney ng AUB. So now the next step would be how you will install your application. So example kanina yung pagbayad. Now you can install, just search on Google Play, create your account, make sure you have an internet connection, and prepare your valid ID, prepare a video capture, and the registration will take 10 minutes, and you should be at least 18 years old to have this account. So ang sample natin is valid ID is a driver's license. You take the picture, the front and the back of the driver's license. So after that, put in your information and password. After the password, they will send you a verification number through your messenger or cell phone text message, and also sa inyong email address. Again, input the validation number, add your other information like your birthday and address, and you're almost done. And then make a selfie video stating your name and your birth date. So ganun lang din. Then after that, you will be doing a digital signature. So after the digital signature, you submit and you're done. So yun na, may account ka na, and after a few days you'll be informed na validated na o active your account. So once you want to load your money, Hellomoney, go to 7-Eleven, use the click queue machine. Do not click on e-money kasi akala ko din una sa e-money ako magpupunta, but then you go to bills payment and click on search, type in Hellomoney. Okay, H pa lang pipindutin mo, makikita mo na nasa list agad si Hellomoney. So click on Hellomoney and then enter. After you enter, you will input the information requested, account number, your cell phone number, and the amount you're gonna deposit. So yung account number mo, makikita mo siya sa application ng Hellomoney. Click profile and it's on the upper left under your name. So now mayroon ka rin ma-receive na receipt na may barcode. Then present it to the teller and you can now pay your or deposit the amount you need to put sa yung Hellomoney account. And that's it. And now you can check your transaction or your deposit on your cell phone. Just see there, and then the transaction is verified and indicated. So ganun din po ulit ka-convenient ang pag-load ng money through your AUB account. So again, this is the Brother Dong Sarabosing. I hope the video has helped you, and again, I'm wishing you good day and good luck. Bye!